Acumatica Cloud ERP provides the best business management solution for digitally resilient companies. Built for mobile and telework scenarios and easily integrated with the collaboration tools of your choice, Acumatica delivers flexibility, efficiency, and continuity of operations to growing small and mid-market organizations. Acumatica Cloud ERP delivers intelligent, industry-focused business functionality with the critical capabilities and productivity aids required for commerce, construction, distribution, field service, and manufacturing. Growing your business with integrated workflows spanning the full suite of business management applications, from financials, project accounting, and inventory management to CRM. Our modern UI and flexible workflows are why Acumatica is consistently ranked highest in usability. But don't just take our word for it. Nucleus Research, Software Reviews, G2, and Gartner all agree and have consistently awarded Acumatica with the highest usability ranking. Our user-friendly interface is highly intuitive and easy to tailor for specific business processes, reduces development costs, and decreases the learning curve for new users. Mobile access is crucial for remote workers, field workers, or even executives who may be out of the office. Acumatica's mobile app empowers you to work on a smaller screen while you're on the go. Access your business and data in real time from any device. Acumatica unleashes artificial intelligence and machine learning to simplify your experience. For example, take a picture with your phone camera to automatically create an expense receipt and even use dictation to input text. You want more than just data from your ERP system. You need insights too. Acumatica includes hundreds of standard financial and operational reports that can be modified to your business, including dashboards, pivot tables, and advanced reporting tools. Simplify audits and troubleshoot issues. Leverage business intelligence tools such as Microsoft Power BI. Aggregate your data from multiple sources. Extract actionable information and present data visually. Our platform is modular and adaptable with open APIs for rapid integration and designed for the way businesses operate today and in the future. With Acumatica, you have access to the application code, but our low-code, no-code capabilities empower non-technical users to tailor their instance to the way they conduct business without the help of a developer. Acumatica's licensing model, data policies, and training are unrivaled in the industry. Acumatica runs in state-of-the-art data centers using advanced data encryption and multi-factor authentication to safeguard your data. Other ERP vendors may lock you into their data center, but with Acumatica, you decide where to host your data, on the public cloud or in a private cloud. Own your data and own your future in your preferred format. Unlike other vendors, Acumatica's licensing model allows you to add unlimited users. The result? As your company grows, simplify management by boosting transparency, availability of data, and insights across your organization. Finally, Acumatica comes with interactive help screens powered by context-sensitive artificial intelligence and machine learning, along with free online training through Acumatica University. Built on a future-proof platform with an open architecture for rapid integrations, scalability, and ease of use, Acumatica delivers unparalleled value to fast-growing organizations.